Seniors, I've spent 40 years studying aging muscles, and what I'm about to tell you might surprise you or even shock you. The reason most people lose leg strength after 60 isn't just aging. It's a hidden chemical breakdown happening deep inside your muscles that doctors now call silent muscle collapse. It's the real reason standing up, walking long distances, or climbing stairs feels harder every year. But here's the good news. Recent research reveals that a single daily food can help reawaken dormant muscle fibers, boost blood flow, and rebuild strength even in people over 90. In this video, we'll uncover the powerful foods that can protect your muscles, restore your balance, and help you stay strong for decades to come. Stay with me, because the first food on this list might completely change how you age. Scientists have recently discovered that the muscles in your legs are not dying with age. They're starving. They're starving for oxygen, for circulation, and for key nutrients that used to be plentiful in your youth, but now are in short supply. This shortage leads to what researchers at the University of Tokyo call silent muscle collapse. Under a microscope, they found that after the age of 60, the body produces up to 99% less of the proteins needed to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. This means that even if you walk daily or stay active, your muscles can't recover properly. They slowly shrink and lose function. That's why so many seniors find themselves saying, "I just don't have the same strength I used to." But here's where the good news begins. Researchers discovered that eating specific foods can literally wake up dormant muscle fibers, restore energy production in your muscle cells, and rebuild strength faster than any supplement or exercise alone. Let's begin with the fifth most powerful food for maintaining strong legs, even at 90: sweet potatoes. This humble root is often overlooked, but it has been quietly keeping elderly populations in Okinawa, Japan, among the strongest and longest living people on Earth. When Harvard scientists studied their diet, they found that seniors who ate sweet potatoes at least 4 times a week had 60% more type 2 muscle fibers in their legs than those who rarely ate them. These fibers are the ones responsible for power, for standing, climbing stairs, and balance. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient that protects your muscle mitochondria, the tiny engines that produce energy. Think of it like adding a protective shield around your muscle's power source, preventing it from rusting with age. But there's another reason sweet potatoes are a senior superfood. They are rich in potassium, about 700 milligrams per medium potato, a mineral that helps your muscles contract and relax properly. Potassium deficiencies are one of the main reasons many seniors experience painful nighttime leg cramps, or that heavy, dragging feeling when walking. The secret lies not just in eating sweet potatoes, but in how you prepare them. The skin holds the majority of the fiber, and a compound called chlorogenic acid, which stabilizes blood sugar levels and prevents the insulin spikes that can break down muscle tissue. For maximum benefit, steam them whole with the skin on for about 25 to 30 minutes until soft, but not mushy. This method preserves up to 300% more nutrients compared to boiling or microwaving. After steaming, let them cool slightly and eat them with a small amount of healthy fat, such as olive oil or tahini. This helps your body absorb beta-carotene efficiently, as it's a fat-soluble nutrient. The best time to eat sweet potatoes is about 2 hours before your daily walk or any leg exercise. This timing ensures that your muscles get a steady energy release, supporting endurance without spiking blood sugar. In Okinawa, centenarians often start their mornings with a small bowl of mashed purple sweet potato mixed with a bit of miso paste, which adds probiotics to enhance nutrient absorption even further. The result? Seniors there maintain leg strength comparable to people 30 years younger. Now, if sweet potatoes are the foundation of muscle health, The next food is like rocket fuel for your legs. Sardines. Yes, those tiny fish that come in cans are one of nature's most powerful leg-strengthening foods. A groundbreaking study from the University of Barcelona followed 800 seniors for 5 years and found that those who ate sardines twice a week had 78% less muscle loss than those who didn't. Sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These aren't just heart-healthy fats. They're structural components of your muscle cell membranes. When you eat sardines, these omega-3s get built into your muscle cells, making them more flexible and responsive to repair signals. It's like replacing brittle, dry rubber bands with fresh, elastic ones that respond quickly when you move. Sardines are also a rare food that naturally contains protein, calcium, and vitamin D, the 3 nutrients your muscles absolutely depend on. A single can of sardines with bones provides about 350 milligrams of calcium and 200 IU of vitamin D, both of which help your muscles contract and recover. Vitamin D in particular plays a crucial role in leg strength. Studies show that correcting vitamin D deficiency in adults over 60 can improve walking speed and leg strength by up to 40% in just 3 months. The protein in sardines is rich in leucine, an amino acid that acts like a switch to tell your muscles, it's time to grow. However, not all sardines are created equal. Many store-bought ones are packed in soybean or vegetable oils, which can actually increase inflammation and counteract the muscle-repairing effects. Always choose wild-caught sardines packed in water or olive oil. The olive oil variety offers an added anti-inflammatory benefit that supports muscle recovery even more. And don't throw away the soft bones. They're an excellent natural source of calcium, which keeps your leg muscles contracting smoothly and helps prevent falls. If you're not used to the taste, try mashing sardines with a fork, adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and mixing them into a salad with dark leafy greens. The vitamin C from the lemon enhances iron absorption by 4 times, helping your muscles get more oxygen during movement. You can also mash sardines on a slice of whole grain toast with sliced tomatoes for a delicious nutrient-packed meal. The timing of when you eat sardines also matters. The best window is within 1 hour after a walk or any leg exercise, when your muscles are most receptive to protein synthesis. This timing can nearly double your muscle recovery rate, even if you don't exercise much. Eating sardines regularly, 2 to 3 times a week, can gradually rebuild strength and improve circulation in your legs. In fact, seniors living in Mediterranean regions who eat sardines regularly can climb steep coastal paths well into their 90s without fatigue. If you've made it this far, you now understand how sweet potatoes and sardines can transform aging legs. But the science doesn't stop there. What happens inside your muscles when you feed them the right nutrients every day is nothing short of miraculous. Studies from Harvard and the University of Washington show that these foods don't just slow aging, they can actually reverse decades of muscle decline by reactivating stem cells inside your leg tissue. Think about that. Your body already has the ability to rebuild itself. It just needs the correct raw materials. And that's where your daily choices make all the difference. Most people think muscle health is all about exercise, but what truly determines your strength is what's on your plate. Even a few changes can dramatically boost circulation, energy, and endurance. Now, imagine walking up the stairs without holding the railing, or getting out of bed without that familiar ache. These small victories are proof that your legs can grow stronger again. You've seen how sweet potatoes nourish your muscle power, and how sardines rebuild your muscle cells from the inside out. But there are still 3 more foods that go even further. They help your body stop breaking down muscle tissue altogether. In the next part, we'll uncover the hidden science behind foods that actually reverse muscle aging, restore joint flexibility, and reignite the same vitality you had decades ago. The best part? These aren't exotic or expensive. They're simple, everyday foods you can start eating right now. So stay tuned, because what comes next could change the way you age forever.